Would you shut up for a fucking minute? What?
They were showing her the UL colors. See the red and white?
Shut up!
Showing her the UL colors. See the red and white? Look at me.
It's after midnight and all this is going on.
Hey, this ain't happening out there, church. This ain't happening.
No.
It'll take me son saying, Mama, I don't like the guns.
I know you don't like the guns, baby. I'll lock the door back in just a minute, I promise. It's quiet for a minute. You can see the smoke in the air from all the gunshots and the fire and
Yeah, it's nowhere near 4th of July, so there's no fireworks. So, you got what I'm saying?
no, it's not fireworks.
It's not fireworks, I know.
You can
It's ammunition.
put that back.
Right there, you never gonna go to that. Yeah.
12:30 at night. Sitting at the red light just honking. 26th of Maine. Mm-hmm.
Where you at?
Louisville, Kentucky. That's right.
We just won.
Portland. And the kids got to go to school tomorrow, but we can go to school and hear this all night and the gunshot. And people out the windows, hanging out the cars.
Hey, look. You can sit at the school as a sick note.
Yeah.
You say, I dare you. I'm telling you. Believe that shit.
Come some more. And again, it's just because Louisville won on a Monday night. Here comes some more. You can hear the fire department and the ambulance. anybody that's got to work tomorrow really appreciates all those too. Uh-oh, more gunfire. Back in the bed, boys. Go hide. Get back in the bed, baby. Go hide.
Boy, I need a boy.
Yeah, my boys have to go hide.
I need a boy.
Go Big Blue!
Another gunshot. And this is my daughter's room that I'm in. Just got the window open, that's it. And our kids are supposed to sleep through this and go to school tomorrow and get up at 5:30 in the morning. Just wondering where all these other people work or if they get up in the morning. Some more gunfire. Another one. Where's all the police at? Who knows? Gunfire. They're hanging out the cars and everywhere else. Nowhere even close. Well, I mean, we're kind of close to Broadway, but, you know, Maine's kind of a far way away from Broadway if you have to go to school or get up early. They're not riding by in a car honking a horn. They're walking past your house screaming. It's now 1 o'clock in the morning. The kids are up worried about getting shot. Lovely night for us all.